Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who's back baby, with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today, man. So y'all saw the title of the video. That's right, got a refresh on the grill, man. Sorry to change it up a little bit. Reason being, I got that Raptor grill probably about 2 years ago now, almost 3 years, about 2 years ago, something like that. But now, since I got the new wheels and tires, kind of just want to refresh the whole truck, give it a new look up front as well. So that's what we're doing today. We're swapping the grill. I do want to show y'all the emblem I got. Shout out to my guy, High 50 and his company, Sunset Retros, I believe it is. I put it up right there. Y'all go check it out. So here's the new emblem we're rocking. Boom, my fingerprints on it. So don't worry about that. But yep, that's the new emblem. There we go, more light. That's the new emblem we got. I did go with all black. I'll explain all that here, but it's a very nice emblem, man. They do a very good job. See the back there. I'll definitely go check him out. Bro, appreciate you for getting this out to me and all that. It came out great. I haven't told you this probably. I'm not sure if I told you on social media, but it looks great. It looks really good. So y'all definitely go check him out. Again, Sunset Retros. I do think with the old Raptor grill, I'm gonna have to cut the cord, because right now it's soldered into my turn signal. So I might just have to cut the cord, like cut a small piece of it off. But I don't know. We'll see when we get out there. Here we go. All right, guys, so I'm outside now, so I'm just jump straight into this because I almost don't want to do it. So here we go. First thing you have to do, guys, is remove all these little pushers. I call them panel poppers thingies. Got to remove all these here and all these. So it's going to free up this black rubber part. So that's step one. Let's go. Guys, so once you get that removed, it exposes these bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So these are 10 millimeter. Okay, next you have to remove some more. I call them popper thingies. So this right here, that one, this one, this one. I think there's a big one down there as well, but you can see the grill is already kind of loosened up. But while I'm here, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the motor here. So you just got to go ahead and disconnect this as well. Got that one out. Disconnect it there. Pop these out. Sheesh. I went ahead and popped off these panel poppers. Quite a few of them. There's another one. So what you have to do is just pull your what's called it off. I'll show you how I did it right here. Just nice and easy with it. Let me put y'all down actually. Make sure I don't mess up. There you go. You don't have to take that all the way off. Just get it out the way, you see? So I think I got everything out. So now I should just pull up and come out with the grill. So let's see. There it is. Grill is out. So now here's how my lights were wired into the for the Raptor lights. These right here go with the 3 lights, so they have their own 3 ports. So I think I'm just gonna cut this, man. Cut these 2 cords, and hopefully my turn signal still work, because it's tapped into the turn signal right here. But that's the only way I can think of, is just to cut these, man. I can't really think of no other way. So okay, next, guys, you got to take away the grill off your, I forget what this thing called, but your belt thingy, your shutters. So you got to take this off, which you just require these 1, 2, 3. I already took one out 4. Go ahead and pop them off. Get you another thing. Just pop it off. Come out pretty easy, you know, not too hard. Get you one of these tools for sure. It definitely helps, like a lot. I forgot. There's 2 little great clips down there. See them? 1, 2. Yeah, got to get those off real quick. So I'm just gonna use this again to pop them off. All right, guys, so I got the old grill off. As you can see here, there's the new grill right there, and then here's my what you call this, guys, whatever. Here's that. So now this comes with 4 screws on the back, the new grill. So you have to just take those off because I think they're gonna replace, they're gonna go into this, I think. I don't know, honestly. But I'm gonna figure it out. Here we go. As a quick update, so I did not end up using the screws that came with the grill. I just left the ones that were already on there, in there, and got all the push pins, except this one right here is giving me hella trouble. So like, it works, pushes through, but when I put it in the grill, it's not pushing through. But anyway, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up, guys. I'm not gonna show y'all the rest of the process. Y'all saw how I undid everything. You basically just reverse your steps and go back and plug it in that way. That's the easiest way to do it. So I'm gonna finish up and then show y'all the finished product. Okay guys, I got the new grill on. Y'all probably can't see me because it's dark, but here she is. Let me just go ahead and show y'all. Boom. What y'all think, man? Different look for sure. I don't know. It's a lot of black, and then this is just white down here, you know. What y'all think? Side shot. It looks pretty good. It looks better in person. I think it's probably doing camera. It's a lot of black. It's just a lot of black. But let me turn the lights off so y'all can probably see a little better. Okay, that's with the lights off. I probably should go get some sunlight. Actually, you know what? I do need to go to the storage to wrap the grill off. So let's do that. Okay guys, so I'm at a better location, better light. Boom. Here she is. They're red now. What do y'all think? Is the light picking it up pretty good? There it is now, man. As y'all can see, I'm not sure. I'm a little different about it. What y'all think? Go ahead, comment below. It's a lot of black, and I think red is dirty too, so it's not helping because the grill is like brand new and the truck is dirty. Plus the wheels are like super dirty. But yep, that's her now. How she sits. What do y'all think? Come below, what you think? So the reason I switched, guys, was because, like I was saying, I had to wrap the grill on the truck for a long time now. It's been almost probably 2 years. It's a good look. I just kind of, like I said, wanted to refresh the truck with the new wheels, with the new tires. Let's just refresh the front end with the grill too. That was the main reason, number one. Number two, I just wanted something a little more OEM, you know, a little more factory look, which is what this is. But I was talking to my guy Justin. He was saying I should have got it powder coated red, and I'm going to talk about why I did. I mean, not powder coated, color matched the red. I'm about to talk about that, why I didn't do that. But yeah, I just wanted something just a little more factory look on the truck, which is what that is. So why didn't I go black grill, red emblem? I did not go with the red emblem, guys, because I did not want like the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer look. I seen a lot of trucks with the black with the red, and I just didn't like the way it just looked. I didn't like that. It just wasn't for me. The next thing you probably say, okay, Q, why don't you paint match the grill to make it red? The reason I didn't do that is because I had already ordered this emblem in all black before I decided even consider color matching. After a while, like, damn, maybe I should color match it. But the emblem was already done. It was on the way, and I didn't want a red grill with a black emblem on the front. It just wouldn't look good. So I kind of got stuck with it, you know, at this point. But, you know, I mean, like I said, I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad. I don't know about the light bar. Might be throwing it off a little bit there with the white, you know. I know a lot of people saying they recommend me get the black housing Morimoto's fog lights, you know, to make it black down there too. But I'm not sure. That's red. That's a new look. Let me know what y'all think. But that's all I got. I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Peace.